Let's look at this question. Samsung has branch offices in 6 cities in India: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore. 1,400 employees work in all the 6 offices in total. So this column, number of employees, adds up to 1,400. The number of employees in each of the 6 offices is a multiple of 100. So all the blank spaces right now will be multiples of 100. The table given below provides the information about the number of employees, average weight in kgs, average years of experience at Samsung, and average years of overall experience and average height. Okay. First question. Additional information given. The average years of overall experience of all the employees working in Delhi and Kolkata offices is 20/3 years. For Delhi and Kolkata, see, we have 5 into 200. So 1000 plus x into 100. So 100x whole thing divided by 300. And this is equal to 20/3. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 and 3 cancelled, or x is equal to 10. So average of overall experience of people in Kolkata is 10. Okay. Next we have the average weight in kg of all the employees working in Hyderabad and Delhi offices is 70 kg. We can't really do anything about it right now because we neither have the number of employees in Delhi nor the average weight. Neither have the number of employees in Hyderabad nor the average weight in kg in Hyderabad. So nothing can be ascertained with certainty right now. Okay. Next, the average weight of all the employees working in Chennai and Bangalore offices is 70 kg. Chennai and Bangalore offices, we have 64 into, let's say the employees here in Bangalore are X and in Chennai is Y. So 64 into X plus 80Y by X plus Y is equal to 70, or 64X plus 80Y is equal to 70X plus 70Y, or 10Y is equal to 6X, or X by Y is equal to 5/3. So if we had to write down number of employees, we'll write it as 5A and 3A for Chennai and Bangalore offices. 5A and 3A, the ratio is 5:3. Minimum number of employees in Chennai and Bangalore will be 500 and 300 because they also have to be multiples of 100. Okay. Can it be anything apart from 500 and 300? Can it be anything apart from 500 and 300? Not really, because 5:3 and both of them are multiples of 100. 3A has to be a multiple of 100. A has to be minimum at least 100. The next possible value would be 3A can be 600. But if it is 600, Chennai will be 1000 and total employee count will go above 1400. So not only is it 5:3, we also know the precise number has to be 500 and 300. This is also known. So far, 5, 1, 2, 3. 1100 employees have been accounted for. This is done and this is done. Statement B is not done. Next, the average years of overall experience of all the employees working in Mumbai and Hyderabad offices is 22 2/3. Okay. 22 2/3. Right now we have, let's say this is again X and this is Y. We have X into 8 plus 6 into Y by X plus Y is equal to 22/3. So 24X plus 18Y is equal to 22X plus 22Y, or 2X is equal to 4Y, or X by Y is equal to 2/1. Now see, the population in Mumbai and Hyderabad will add up to 300 only, because out of 1400, 1100 people have been accounted. If it is in the ratio 2:1, you have 200 employees here and 100 employees here. This is also done. We have the precise count of employees everywhere. Now, the only point that was left was point B. We can do the work there now, because for population numbers for Delhi and Hyderabad are known, and average weight for Delhi is known. So 200 into 75 plus 100 into average weight, let that be W. Whole thing divided by 300 is equal to 70. That is what the question tells us. So cancel, 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 cancel. So now we get 150 plus W is equal to 210, or W is equal to 60. The average weight of employees in Hyderabad is 60. And now the entire table is filled up. We can get to individual questions. Now the entire table is filled up. We can do questions now. First one, what is the number of employees in the Mumbai office? There are 200 employees in the Mumbai office. What is the average weight of the employees in the Hyderabad office? 60 kg is the average weight of the employees in the Hyderabad office. Next, in all, 100 employees having an average experience of 5 years in Samsung left the Chennai office. Chennai office had 500 people, and their average age was 4. Oh, sorry, average experience was 4. And 100 employees having an average experience of 5 years left the Chennai office. So, as a result, the average experience in Samsung of the employees in the Chennai office was reduced to 3 years. So, there will be 400 employees left with an average age of 3 years in Samsung. And for the 100 employees which had an average experience of 5 years in Samsung, this is the total experience that they have in Samsung. For the 400 employees that are left, their average is 3. And for the 100 employees that were there, their average experience in Samsung was 5. What was the initial average experience in Samsung of all the employees in the Chennai office? So what is the average of the entire 500 group? This is what is being sought. So cancel, 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 cancel. We get Chennai office, 100 employees having an average experience of 5 years in Samsung left the Chennai office. As a result, the average experience in Samsung of employees in the Chennai office was reduced to 3 years. Okay. What was the initial average experience of employees in the Chennai office? I think I have misinterpreted. Let me read again. There were 500 employees and their average was A, not known. Now, 100 people with an experience of 5 have gone. So 400 people with experience of 3 are left. So what is the initial average experience? Okay. So it should be 400 to 3, 1200, 1200 plus 500, so 1700 divided by 500. Okay, my huge mistake. Chennai and Bangalore are not 500 and 300, they are 300 and 500. They are 300 and 500 because the population of Bangalore has to be higher for the average to be closer to 64. So it is not 403, it is 203. 200 people have an average of 3, 100 people have an average of 5. So now 600 plus 500 is 1100 divided by the initial 300 population. So the average calculated would be 11 by 3 years. The initial average experience in Samsung was 11 by 3 years. Next, what is the approximate average weight of the employees in these 6 Samsung offices? Average approximate weight. Okay, we have 200 people with 75. We have 200 people with 60. 100 people with 70. 100 people with 60. 300 people with 80 and 500 people with 64. So this will turn out to be 115,000. This will turn out to be 12 8,000. This will be 7,000. This will be 6,000. This will be 24,000. And this will be 32,000. So last three are zeros. And initially, what do we have? 32 plus 24 is 56. 56 plus 6 is 62. 62 plus 7 is 69. 69 plus 12 is 81. 81 plus 15 is 96. So 96,000. The total turns out to be 96,000. And the whole thing has to be divided by 1400. So cancel, 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 cancel. So now I know 980 by 14 minus 20 by 14. So this will be 70 minus 1 point something something, or my final answer has to be 68 point something something. So the approximate average weight of the employees in these six Samsung offices among the available options, we'll mark 69 kg as the nearest one because approximate was asked. And that is the entirety of this set. Fairly straightforward. You simply have to fill in the numbers based on the instructions given.